As this is a class in video instruction, you'll obviously need a digital video camera. These cameras are relatively inexpensive, but if you don't have one, the School of Education at VCU will provide you with one. The camera I'm going to demonstrate here is the Sony EasyCam, and it's very typical of these small, lightweight DV cameras. For most DV cameras, you'll need a DV cassette. Open the cassette door and the camera will open the motorized tray. Insert the cassette with the sprockets pointing inward and gently close the door. Allow the camera to complete the motorized loading. The first thing you'll need to do is become familiar with the various controls. Most cameras use a rotary on-off switch with a safety button which needs to be pushed in. This will turn the camera on or let you play back film. On the back of the camera, you'll see the eyepiece, most of the controls, and a swing-out viewfinder. After you turn the camera on, push the record button to start the recording process. DV cameras also have an automatic button, which sets the exposure and focus automatically so that all you need to do is point and shoot. The Easy button here is the Sony's automatic button. The last control you need to know about is the zoom button. This can be toggled to one side or the other to zoom in or out on your subject. DV cameras also have a single photo button, which allows the camera to be used to make snapshots. Once you capture the scene you want, you'll probably want to look at it, just in case you need to reshoot it. Open the viewfinder and toggle to the playback mode. On this camera, like many others, there are touchscreen controls on the viewfinder for this. These touchscreen controls allow you to play, fast forward, reverse, and pause. Here we'll push the play button to view the scene we just recorded. Now that you've captured your video, you'll want to transfer it onto your computer so that it can be edited. All of these cameras either have a docking station, like the one seen here, or a direct transfer USB port on the side of the camera itself. The docking station can be used to capture video to your computer, transfer it to another camera, watch it directly on your computer or TV, and to charge the battery. To use the Sony docking station, align the slot on the bottom of the camera, here next to the tripod mounting bracket, with the tab on the docking station. Place the camera in the docking station and attach the USB cable. This camera comes with capture software, or you may download it online. If you have your own camera, this software was provided with it. We'll get into using editing software later in the course. The last thing you should do is to keep the battery charged. Some of these cameras have a separate docking station for the battery. This camera, however, uses the docking station to charge the battery while it's attached to the camera. The battery can be removed if necessary, simply by pressing the detent and lifting it out. As we progress through the course, you'll learn how to build a storyline and script, compose and shoot like a professional, edit in your computer, and burn a final DVD.